You wake up tomorrow morning. Everything looks the same. Your room, your ceiling, the sunlight coming through the window. Nothing seems different. But something is wrong. The air feels thick, almost heavy. Your first breath feels stronger than usual, almost like a rush. Colors outside look slightly brighter. The sky looks more vivid than you've ever seen it. You don't know it yet. Nobody does. But overnight, while the world was sleeping, oxygen levels in our atmosphere doubled, and nothing will ever be the same again. Right now, oxygen makes up about 21% of our atmosphere. That number has stayed relatively stable for millions of years. It sounds like a small number, but that 21% is the reason you're alive, the reason every animal, every forest, every ecosystem on this planet functions the way it does. So what happens when you double it, when you push it to 42% overnight? The answer is far stranger and more terrifying than you'd expect. At first, it feels incredible. People wake up feeling oddly energized. Athletes notice they can run faster without getting tired. The elderly feel a strange surge of clarity. Hospitals report patients recovering faster. For a few hours, the world feels like it just got an upgrade. But that feeling doesn't last long. Within hours, doctors start noticing something strange. People who were already on oxygen support in hospitals begin showing signs of oxygen toxicity, seizures, tunnel vision, lung inflammation. Breathing pure or near pure oxygen for too long is actually poisonous to the human body. Our lungs, our brain, our cells were never built to handle this much. The very thing keeping us alive starts becoming dangerous. Here's where things get truly terrifying. Fire needs three things to survive: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Double the oxygen, and you've essentially handed fire an unlimited power source. At 42% oxygen, almost anything becomes flammable. Things that normally don't burn easily, wet wood, green leaves, even some metals would ignite without much effort. A single lightning strike anywhere on Earth wouldn't just start a fire, it would trigger an inferno. Forests wouldn't just burn, they would explode into flame. Wildfires would spread faster than any firefighting system could handle. Cities built from wood would become extraordinarily dangerous. History actually gives us a glimpse of this. Scientists believe that 300 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period, oxygen levels reached around 35%. The fossil record from that era is full of ancient charcoal layers, evidence of massive, frequent wildfires burning across entire continents. And that was only 35%. We're talking about 42%. We take every breath for granted, every single one. We don't think about the percentage of oxygen in the air. We don't think about how precisely balanced our atmosphere is, or how long it took to get there. But that balance is everything. Too little oxygen and we suffocate. Too much and the world catches fire around us. The fact that Earth sits at exactly the right number, 21%, isn't something we talk about enough. It's one of the most extraordinary things about this planet, a number so perfectly tuned that changing it even slightly in either direction leads to catastrophe.